Welcome to the DBMS lab. We are now at the experiment number 3. So in this experiment 3, we have already worked towards basic SQL queries. So after working on the basic SQL queries, now it is time to move to the things which will happen when we are going to use up the union and intersection operations over the database. So to move with this content, so first of all, we must again uh, create the basic tables. That is one, the Silas database. Two, the boards database. Three, the reserves database. 3 databases has to be created. Then we need to give insert commands to Silas, boards, and similarly to the reserves. Now let us verify whether the data what we were assuming happens at this stage or not. So now you can see here 10 records, rows in the database are stored. Similarly, we can assume 4 database, the rows are going to be placed in the databases. Then the third thing, using the reserves database. So again we can see there will be 10 rows which were inserted into the reserves database. So this pre-compilation process before we execute any type of query is mandatory. Now let us start with union, then we can move up with intersection and thereby towards the A minus P. So when we use this union, intersection and except operation, we assume that the things are going to be a part where they work like a set operation. That is, we use set A and set B. So between set and A, then we can call all the elements, only the elements which are common to A and B, and the elements which are exclusively A and the elements which are exclusively in B. So here is the diagram where we will pick up only the elements that stays in the A. For that we call it as A minus P, and A minus P is taken up here in form of except content. Now let us bring up the scenario. Find the name of a Silas. So when I say name of a Silas, definitely we need the Silas database. Who has reserved? So when we made a reserve, then again we have to use the database called as reserve. Then this is something new to us. That is, we have OR operation here. Okay, so we need to get the board colors, and the board colors can be either red or the board colors can be either green. The board colors can be either red or board colors can be green. So now we are at the part of a OR here. Okay. So just a quick recap of truth tables when we say A or B. So it is nothing but a plus operation. So true, 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 false, false, true, and false, false. So if such is a case is happening, or so we can see that any one of a case, either true, true, or true, false, or false, true, answer is true. But when both are false, then only you can see false is going to happen. So that is the case where we are going to use up this union concept at this scenario. Now, if such scenario is bring to here, now first let us see what should be the who are the persons or the Sailor IDs who has reserved red or a green boat. So when we call it as a red boat, it is 102. When we call it as 104, it is again red boat, and when we call it as green, then it is Clipper 103. Now, one way of understanding was except 101, we can choose, that is an easy way we can guess it up. So I can say 101 to be eliminated. So if we can eliminate the two records 101, rest of the things are available, right? So we have 102, 103, 104. Again 102, 103, 104. Then again 102 and 103. So all the 8 records are satisfying the content. Now what is the question? Find the names of sailors who has reserved a red or a green boat. So now we need to find the names. So 2, 3 and 4 are checked by 22. So 22, it is Dustin. Okay. Then you can see 102, 103, 104, they are reserved by 31. So 31 name, you can put it here, Luber. Then we have 64 here, and he has taken up red color boat, which is 102. We can call it as red color. And his name was Horatio. And his name was Horatio, and his sailor ID was 64. And his sailor ID was 64. Now, how many times we expect the answer should come? It should come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So when we check up with 7, yes, it is again Horatio, and his ID was 74. Now, between red and green color, we need to apply a union. Between red color and green color, we need to apply a union. So how can we go with this? So we are going to use union. This is a reserved word in SQL. From and where, there are clauses. This is select command is a data manipulation command here. Now have from and where, which is going to be repeated. Now we have silo, reserves and boards. So we need to check up work with 3 databases. S, R and B, they are aliases of the databases. Now the boat ID should be in reserves and boats. The boat ID should be in reserves and boat. Boat ID should be in reserves and boat. Then again, sailor ID should be common in sailors and reserves. Sailor ID should be common both in sailors and reserves. So that is a common area. And most important, it can have either red or green. So first it is checking with red, then it is going to check up with or. Now you should understand we are using a AND operation inside the tuple. So inside the query, we use AND. Between query we use OR. So that is this, that implies we use a union here. So in the condition it should be worked together. All three conditions must satisfy. So until unless all the three conditions are not satisfied, we will not get up the things. So that's the reason why we are looking up into all these aspects. Now let us see what happens, the total number of records we can expect when the query is going to be, the union query is going to be executed. So now we are moving up into the SQL part. So this is a live SQL editor. So now we have taken up the queries with the union between these elements. So the query what we were talking about, three conditions. Internally they are going to be applied with AND. So we have query 1 and query 2. Then we are working with a union operator which is linking up set 1 and set 2. So let us hit on the red button to understand whether the answers what we are going to check is going to come into scenario or not. Now we have Dustin, Horatio and Luber. We have Dustin, Horatio and Luber. So let us move to this part. We should get Horatio, second one was Dustin, third one will be Luber here. So whether these items are available or not. Now we were having a Venn diagram. We can have a Venn diagram like this. Then you can assume 22, 31, 64 and 74 are common in both sailors and reserves. But the scenario was 64 and 74 have the same name. So only one name will appear. So only one name is going to appear as of this case. So we are looking at the commonality condition strictly with AND operation, and thereby we are using the union. We will not consider 29 nor 32 nor 58 nor 71 nor 85 or 95 because these elements are not having any reservation to boards. So they don't have any reservation to the boards, even though we are working on union operation, but still it looks like a intersect operation. Okay, now 22, 31, 64 and 74. So, but what about Horatio? Horatio was 2 times, right? So now what we will do is, we will, instead of looking into s dot name, let us print and the s dot id, because s dot id is a unique identifier. Now this time we should understand, we should be getting 4, because Horatio one it is 64 and another was 74. So that is not missing up at this point. So just check whether we are in a proper way of expressing the content or not. Yeah. So now we have changed the S name to the S ID. So we can assume that it is 22, 31, 64 and 74. So that's the reason why we get Horatio. It is 2, it is 1 and it is 1 here. So this is 64 and 74. Dustin was 22 and Luber was 31. So total we will get only 4 rows. Total we will get only the 4 rows. Now let us bring up the 4 rows to our relation. Now we talked about the union operator. Now we talked about the union operator here. So as we talked about union operator, now we assume the elements as mentioned. Now let us look into another way of things. That is, find the names of a seller who has reserved both a red and green board. So let us understand the question once again before we move up. The question number 9, what it was showing was, it was saying find the names of a seller who have reserved both, right? It is both a red and a green. But here, who has reserved both, or is mentioned here, and is mentioned. Okay. In this scenario, we are sensitive at this case. So we will use a union operation at this point, and we will use a intersection point, because both the conditions has to be revealed at this case. Here we can say any one, but at this case both must satisfy. So that's the reason we have to move up at this messy state. So when we have in this form, so we can write A, B, and then we can make up A and B at this case. And when we are putting false, 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 true, true, false, and false values. So true and true values. So true and true values. So we can assume that true and true is true, that is both the conditions must fit. That is nothing but intersection. That is nothing but intersection. So we can draw up a Venn diagram as this model. Who are common? SIDs and SIDs who are common. That is, we can put up 22 is common, 31 is common, 64 is common, and 74 is common, right? 64 is common and 71 is common. And we will not put the things here, right? So we have to choose only the A and B. That is nothing but S and R. Sorry, S and R. That is we call here as an intersection. So now the changing was condition remains same. The way how we interpret in the previous example will be same, but only thing was we are going to replace it with a intersect option. We will replace it only with the intersect option. So we don't have much change here. So instead of union, we will replace it with intersect keyword and just see we can display the name, and similarly we can replace here also with the Siler name. So we get three elements: Dustin, Horatio, Luber. Dustin, so we will be getting Dustin, Horatio, and Luber. So it is 22. Dustin. Luber was 31. And Horatio was 64, right? 64 and 74. It is 64 and 74. We can see Horatio interpretation was taken up. But we are asking only name. So only name must print. So what happens was, instead of two names of Horatio, only one name will be printed or retrieved. So that's the reason why we have taken up only with the name at this point. Just check for a curiosity what happens if we put SID and SID here. So this is quite interesting. 22 and 31 are going to be available at this point. So that was another key takeaway. So at this case, it is again a fishy to print either 64 or 74. So it goes only with the Dustin and Luber at this case. Okay. So that's the reason why we will not encourage the uh, ideas of. So we will just check it up only with the names to display with Dustin, Horatio, and Luber. Now, third result word will be accept. The third result word will be accept. So we can say that SQL command was not properly ended. The reason was we have not taken up any values uh, which are totally taking with red or green. So there is no record found as of now. So we will get this error as SQL command not properly ended. So the reason was find the sailors who has uh, who have reserved red and not a green boat. So find the sailors, SIDs of sailors who have reserved red boats and not green boats. So when it is red boat, then we will be looking only with 102 and 104. We will be looking only with 102 and 104. So that is 102, 104, 102 and 104, 102. So now we are going to expect only values 22, 22, 31, 31 and 64. The same IDs we can find up here, 22 followed by 31 and followed by 64 as of this cases. So if we are going to bring up a relation except, so the Siler IDs has to be known and it has to be uh, executed as of the content. So just check whether this type of query is going to uh, model it out. So we check whether the accept is bringing up the results or not. And second thing, we are not looking into the Siler table. So whether this is run or not, so still there is some ambiguity or fishy at this case. So when we put up this value called as uh, boat ID and boat ID, so we have two things, that is reserves and boats. So boats, it is 101, 2, 3 and 4. So 101, 2, 3 and 4. So all the boats are used, 101, 2, 3, 4. Every boat is used. So there is a possibility of common here, right? So there is no other element which is not going to fit up in other areas. So that's the reason why we can use 101, 2, 3 and 4. But the condition was who has reserved red boat. So from this we have to choose up the red boat here. So that is we have to choose up with 102 and we have to choose up 104. So that is the red boat, it is staying up with SID 22, 31 and it is choosing up with 64. Similarly, when it is looking with the things, that is 104, then it is again pointing out to Cyler number 22 and pointing out to Cyler number 31. So we are expecting the things exclusively in R, right? But 102 and 104 are in common area, So no rows will be selected. So no rows will be the second selected. Therefore, no answer to the query. So that's how we take up with this union, intersection, and except operation. So that is the thing what we have discussed up to now.